What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton. This is Lil Jackson.
Hi.
And today recipe will be spring roll. People call it spring roll, summer roll, but we in this house we call it spring roll. We're gonna be doing it with pork belly. You could do it with any type of meat you want. People do it with salmon or beef, but in this house we love pork belly. So let's get to cooking. Let's go.
Bye.
First, we want to boil hot water for the pork belly, the vermicelli, and the shrimp. For the pork belly, you want to pick a piece that has even layers of meat and fat. You don't want a piece that has too much fat in it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to give it a little flavor. The instruction is in the back of the package on how to cook the noodle. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and then give it a little stir. When the water is boiling, add in the shrimp and then give it a little stir. Boil the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes, but don't overcook it. Then drain it out and set aside to cool down. When the noodle is cooked, drain out the hot water and then rinse it with cold water. When the pork belly is cooked, make sure when you cut into it, no red juice comes out to make sure that it's really cooked.